Hi, in this video we're going to show you a nice free tool you could use to actually make your thumbnail previews for folders actually show everything instead of this little covering like you see here in this one. So if you wanted to show the whole picture rather than being halfway covered up, you could give this tool a try. Alright, so it's called Folders Thumbnail Fix. So you just download it, extract the zip file, then just run the executable so there's nothing to install. So supposedly it replaces this half-covered mask here with a transparent one so you could actually see everything on the preview picture here. Alright, so we're going to just double-click the executable. Pick your style here because you could go back to it if you change your mind. So we'll click on the full view, say yes to the UAC prompt. It'll restart Explorer so everything will go black. And then it'll come back. So in my case, it killed my background. So it tends to do that when you restart Explorer using a low resolution like I'm using for this video here, but it shouldn't happen to you. But if it does, you could just put your desktop picture back or whatever you're using. All right, so now let's go back into the pictures folder and see what we got. All right, so now you can see we have the full preview on all of our folders here instead of just the half preview. So that's a nice little trick there. And let's say you want to change it back. Just run it again and pick this option. Restart Explorer again. All right, let's open the pictures folder once more. Now you can see we're back to normal with half the picture being covered by the folder icon. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you could download Folder Thumbnail Fix, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.